has completely changed the game. On one side, basic development has become cheaper. Tasks like scaffolding, UI generation, and even writing boilerplate code can now be done much faster using AI tools. But here's the interesting part. High quality development has actually become more expensive. Why? Because clients are no longer paying for just code. They are paying for thinking architecture and real business outcomes.
Nowadays, clients who have the requirements come up with the solutions by themselves, researching from the AI, and ask that the solution is being already available. So why you are taking so much of time in the development? So basically, they are self-aware nowadays, and that's the reason that as a company, we are not able to provide them the timeline and the pricing according to the previous years that we were supposed to give, because previously everything was manually coded, and that's the reason that we were able to give any pricing of our choice. But nowadays we are not able to give the pricing, and they are not agreeing on that particular pricing.
AI builders now deliver finished sites for under $1,500 in most cases. Professional custom builds? Still $5,000 to $150,000 plus. AI reset the floor. It hasn't touched the ceiling.
Has some limits on the budget and timeline, so they think that we could this project can be implemented without manual efforts with the help of AI, and they pay some limit amounts for the month or two, so they can launch their product on the less amount of efforts in their time. But some understand that every feature cannot be implemented with the help of AI, so they pay a good amount for their project.
Back-end development absorbs 30 to 40% of the total project budget, the largest single phase. And this is exactly where AI scaffolding tools have the least leverage.
What it's allowed is for our team to work better for clients, delivering better outcomes that used to cost a lot more in time and money. Recently, we worked with a client who needed a full set of custom icons for their website. Traditionally, that's a designer, back and forth briefs, revisions. Lots of time and cost adding up fast. Instead, we gave AI the brand references, described what each icon needed to communicate, and we had a complete cohesive set ready to go. That's where AI is genuinely shifting the economics, not by replacing the thinking, but by compressing the execution.
We initially thought that this is just going to cut our costs entirely, but it's really done the opposite. By implementing AI, our designers are able to explore different design directions at a much faster rate and present these to our clients with a lot of confidence and with a lot of freedom. All of this with AI has allowed us to ship faster without sacrificing on quality. So although we thought that this was going to devalue our services, it's really done the opposite.
AI is still not autopilot, it is power steering. So how we handle that? We tell them that AI at the moment can handle the boilerplate. It helps us in unit testing. It also helps us in finding the bugs. But the architecture, the security, and the other decisions are still, very valid for humans to tackle. And it definitely has a bigger impact on the smaller things rather than the bigger ones. So whenever I go to them, I tell them that what tasks can be handled by AI and what are still, humans doing.
More than 75% of agencies rate technology stack choice as having moderate to high cost impact. The decisions that drive your invoice happen before a single line of code is written.
I've seen a massive shift in clients' expectations since AI became mainstream. For example, many clients now expect unrealistic low prices, sometimes asking for a professional fully vectorized logo for just $2 or $3, simply because AI can do it. How do we handle this? We try to educate them on the difference between a tool and a strategy. We explain that while AI is great for speed, it doesn't provide a business strategy, market differentiation, or legal brand protection that a human-led agency does.
Here's the paradox inside the paradox. 51% of agencies name AI and automation features as a top project cost driver. Adding intelligence to your product, recommendation engines, LLM interfaces, real-time personalization demands architecture, testing, and ongoing maintenance that can rival the cost of the site itself.
It begins with the cost. But when you go deeper, what client really wants is better ROI. They want us to build faster, reduce the rework, and launch the product sooner. And we are transparent about this. AI does this. It actually accelerates the repetitive development, speeds up testing, and improves documentation. But software doesn't fail because developers type slowly. It actually fails when there is weak architecture, unclear requirements, and poor execution decisions. All those still need experienced engineers. So we position AI as a force multiplier for our teams and not a replacement. We show clients where AI can actively increase efficiency and where engineering expertise remains non-negotiable. So our approach has always been to combine AI-driven efficiency with strong engineering ownership, because client doesn't just pay for their code, they actively invest in execution, reliability, and a technology partner they can trust.
It's not just the pricing that has got impacted, but also the turnaround time. For simpler websites, AI-powered platforms such as Wix, WordPress, Shopify, they have made website creations faster and more accessible. And yes, many clients ask us whether AI-assisted development should now cost less. We see that as a fair question. Our approach is to use AI and modern platforms where suitable to improve efficiency and pass that value through faster delivery and wherever possible through smarter pricing with a broader scope within the same budget. A successful web development still depends heavily on human expertise, clear planning, quality assurance, brand understanding, and commercial thinking. So while AI has lowered the cost of commoditized builds and simpler websites, it has increased importance of agencies that know how to combine the right tools with real strategic execution.
The total 2-year cost of a professionally built website runs 150 to 200% of the initial invoice. Hosting, maintenance, integrations, security. The invoice you sign on day one is rarely the actual cost. That's not a problem with AI. It's a reminder that value lives beyond the launch. Goodfirms surveyed 300+ web development firms across 31 countries to produce the most complete pricing benchmark of 2026. Fixed price ranges, hourly rates by geography, the hidden costs, all of it. Links in the description.